Welcome food enthusiasts and baking aficionados to our ultimate guide on the best stand mixers out there. Whether you're a professional chef or a home baker, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at the top stand mixers that'll elevate your culinary game. From power and design to versatility and affordability, we've got all the details you need to make the right choice for your kitchen. Let's dive right in. First position of our list, we have KitchenAid KSM150PSER Artisan Tilt Head Stand Mixer. Are you an aspiring home baker or a seasoned pro looking for the ultimate kitchen companion? Look no further than the KitchenAid KSM150PSER Artisan Tilt Head Stand Mixer. This iconic mixer is a powerhouse, capable of transforming your culinary creations into perfection. With a sturdy construction and a stylish design, it's a head turner in any kitchen. The 5-quart stainless steel bowl allows you to whip up large batches of dough, batter, or frosting with ease. The tilt head design makes it simple to add ingredients, and the 10-speed settings ensure precise control over your mixing. The KitchenAid Artisan Mixer comes with a range of attachments including a wire whip, flat beater, and dough hook, giving you versatility for various recipes. The Power Hub also lets you attach additional accessories like a pasta maker or food grinder. This mixer is built to last, and the quiet, efficient motor ensures your baking sessions won't disrupt the household. From airy meringues to dense bread dough, the KitchenAid KSM150PSER Artisan Tilt Head Stand Mixer handles it all effortlessly. In conclusion, the KitchenAid Artisan Mixer is a timeless classic for a reason. It combines style, power, and versatility, making it an indispensable tool in any kitchen. If you're serious about baking, this mixer is a game changer. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer 63390. Introducing the Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer 63390, a budget-friendly yet powerful option for all your mixing needs. This mixer proves that you don't have to break the bank to enjoy the benefits of a stand mixer. With a 300-watt motor and a 4-quart stainless steel bowl, it's perfect for making cookie dough, cake batter, and much more. The 6-speed settings ensure you can precisely adjust the mixing speed to match your recipes. The tilt-up head design makes adding ingredients a breeze, and the included dough hook, whisk, and flat beater provide versatility for a range of culinary tasks. Plus, it's effortless to clean, thanks to its removable parts. The Hamilton Beach 63390 is designed to be compact and space-saving, ideal for smaller kitchens. It's a reliable and efficient mixer that can handle most baking and cooking projects without any fuss. In conclusion, the Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer 63390 offers an excellent value for those seeking a dependable stand mixer without the hefty price tag. It's an excellent choice for home bakers and cooks who want quality results without the premium cost. The number 3 position held by Aucma Stand Mixer 6.5 QT 660 low-U 6-speed tilt head food mixer. For those who demand a powerful and versatile stand mixer, the Aucma Stand Mixer is a compelling option. With a robust 660-watt motor and a 6.5-quart stainless steel bowl, this mixer is built to handle demanding tasks with ease. The tilt head design makes it effortless to add ingredients, and the 6-speed settings, along with the pulse function, give you complete control over your mixing. From delicate meringues to thick bread dough, the Aucma mixer can tackle it all. This mixer comes with a host of attachments including a dough hook, whisk, and flat beater to accommodate various cooking needs. The planetary mixing action ensures all ingredients are thoroughly combined, leaving no lumps behind. The Aucma Stand Mixer is designed with durability in mind, and it's easy to clean after use. The overload protection feature enhances safety, while the non-slip feet keep it stable on your countertop. In conclusion, the Aucma Stand Mixer is a powerhouse that's perfect for passionate home bakers and chefs. Its robust features, large capacity, and versatile attachments make it a top choice for those who take their mixing seriously. Next at number 4 we have Cuisinart Stand Mixer SM50BC. The Cuisinart Stand Mixer SM50BC is a sophisticated addition to any kitchen, offering a balance of power, versatility, and style. If you're looking for a premium mixer that delivers exceptional results, this might be the one for you. With a 500-watt motor and a 5.5-quart stainless steel bowl that can handle large batches of dough or batter with ease, the 12-speed settings provide precise control over your mixing, and the countdown timer allows you to follow recipes accurately. This mixer comes with a set of high-quality attachments including a chef's whisk, flat mixing paddle, and dough hook. A splash guard with a pour spout keeps your kitchen clean while adding ingredients. The Cuisinart SM50BC is not just powerful, but also sleek in design, making it a statement piece in your kitchen. Its die-cast metal construction ensures durability, and it's easy to clean. In conclusion, the Cuisinart Stand Mixer SM50BC is a top-tier choice for professional bakers and home cooks who desire superior performance and design. It's a kitchen workhorse that can handle any mixing task with style. Finally, the number 5 position is held by COOKLEE Stand Mixer SM1551. Are you seeking a stand mixer that combines power, versatility, and an attractive price point? Look no further than the COOKLEE Stand Mixer SM1551. This mixer offers a great blend of features for the home baker on a budget. With a 660-watt motor and a 7.4-quart stainless steel bowl, it has the capacity and strength to handle even the most demanding recipes. The 6-speed settings and pulse function give you full control over your mixing tasks. The tilt-head design makes it easy to add ingredients and access the mixing bowl. The included attachments such as the whisk, flat beater, and dough hook provide versatility for different recipes. The COOKLEE SM1551 is not only efficient but also easy to clean. Its anti-slip feet ensure stability during operation, and the mixer's sleek design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. In conclusion, the COOKLEE Stand Mixer SM1551 is a cost-effective choice for those who want a high-capacity mixer without sacrificing performance. It's an excellent option for avid bakers who are budget-conscious. Thanks for watching our comprehensive guide on the best stand mixers.
If you enjoy this video, please like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.